Namaste.
In this video I am going to make CCTV camera from this old drone camera module, and it can be used as a security camera and other purpose. I am using this LED case for camera module. And I am going to insert camera module in the middle of LED like this. And here I am using old mobile charger for camera module 5V supply. Okay, I had inserted the camera module like this in LED diffuser with super glue. I am inserting here micro USB jack cable for supply. I am removing old soldered wire from board for connect output wire to camera module supply. After removing old wire, I am connecting output supply wire of camera module. Here I am connecting AC wire for supply board. For board safety I am using cello tape for insulation. Okay, packed the board perfectly. Looking sexy, ha 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 ha. Okay, for checking, I am disconnected the internal supply wire. And here I am using external 5V supply for camera module. Working perfectly. Like the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming projects. Thank you.